Well, hello there, LinkedIn world. I thought I'd do a video, something different, something outside the world of YouTube. And I just want to do a quick video on 3 things that I would say make a trainer dynamic and engaging in the training room and when running workshops. Now, this is some content that I'm taking from my 2-day workshop that's coming up in July, which is super exciting. So if you want to find out more about that, let me know, drop a comment below, or just shoot me a private message. But essentially, I would say, in order for a trainer to be truly dynamic, it really comes down to 3 things. And you may want to grab a pen and write this down, but number 1 is confidence. Confidence in who they are. And let me just get out of the car here for a moment. Confidence in who they are, I guess the urgency of the message, and ultimately the confidence that they can create an amazing experience that's going to be of value for their audience, for their workshop participants. Okay, so the first one is confidence and self-belief. Second one, I would say, is structure. Now, a lot of times people will run away from structure or run away from too much logic or all of that, but workshops and the conducting of workshops is both an art and a science. And when we can make sure that we've got the right structure in place and we are hitting all the milestones along the way and structuring our thoughts, our activities in a way that really tap into the adult learning principles and are really having a solid impact in going from the short-term memory to the long-term memory and assisting in the transformation, that's when it gets really exciting. So the second one is structure. Now, the third one is actually communication. Now, we need to appreciate, as a trainer, as a presenter, as a workshop facilitator, you got to talk differently. You've actually got to lead the hearts and minds of an audience, and you can't just stand up and talk. You've actually got to speak in a particular way, use particular phrases, and actually take charge of your own communication. And those 3 things definitely we're going to look at in our 2-day workshop coming up. But I just wanted to share those with you because I would say that the great trainers out there that are truly dynamic, they've got those things handled. They're really confident. They've got a great structure and logic to what they're doing and how they're doing it. You may not see it at the surface level, but when you peel back the curtain, there's some great structure going on, right? And the third one there was definitely how they communicate, how they interact with the audience, how they get people to respond, and all of those good things. Thanks for watching, team. If you enjoyed the video, I don't know, like and comment and do all that good stuff. And hopefully you enjoy the different paradigm of not the YouTube, but directly into LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, team, and hope you are having and will have an amazing Easter. Those are the 3 dynamics or the 3 characteristics of a really dynamic trainer in my mind. Thanks for watching. Bye.